Hey YouTubers, this is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're going to do a review and unboxing of this combustible gas leak detector. It's made by Toptis. You can get this on Amazon. Pretty cool, especially if you're doing appliance repair, because it allows you to kind of sniff out where there might be a gas leak. And this could be something you could use at home too if you felt like maybe your water heater or your gas heater or your gas stove had a leak and you just wanted to confirm. Maybe you can kind of smell it. It's a pretty sensitive device, so it could help you to track down where the leak might be coming from. So this costs, I think, around $27, $28 on Amazon, and we'll just do a little unboxing. So open it up, and we've got a nice manual inside. It has English, and also I think it comes in kanji, which could be read for people in China or Japan on the back, but pretty simple instructions. So kind of an attractive look to it. Lightweight, and it comes with two AAA batteries, and let's give it a try. So comes with the detector, and then the two batteries. And the detector has the power button and also has a choice between low and high. So if it's on high, the sensitivity is higher and it's more likely to smell some lightweight leak. If it's a pretty strong leak, then you can use the low setting. But you should probably start with the high one and then you can transfer to lower later. So to put the batteries in, just take off the back by twisting off lefty-loosey, just like always. And you're going to put in the positive side first. There's two of them. Let me just get the little wrapper off. Yeah, I've done a lot of appliance repairs where I didn't have a detector with me, and it made it really hard to kind of figure out where the gas smell was coming from. You had to use like some soapy water to spray on the joint that you suspected, but I think this one will make it a little bit quicker and easier, less messy. So I'm putting the positive side down in, second one, positive side down in. Gonna screw on the bottom, get it nice and tight. And now I'll press the power button, the red button here. And it's gonna do a 30-second warm up. So when you're doing the warm up, you'll see the oscillating digital readout. And this is just kind of its calibration mode. After 30 seconds, then you could use it to test a leak. One way they advise in the directions, if you don't have a gas stove you could use, is just like a cigarette lighter. It has butane gas, and that'll help you to just make sure that it's working. So after the 30 seconds, it'll beep, and then the display will be different. It'll have the graphic bars way down at the bottom. If it senses gas, the graphic bars would go up and the display would change from what we see now, green, to red. So now it's all ready to do a test. What we'll do today is we have a gas fireplace here at home, and we'll turn on a little bit of gas and we'll see if it can sense it. So that'll be our next thing. Just a sec. Okay, we've got the gas open a little bit. Let's get the detector closer. Give it a second to sniff it. Okay, so we're pretty close to the gas source now. And as we get away from it, it backs off. Get closer to the gas source. It's coming in right now. And I'm going to come away from it. So that's where there'd be a lot of gas. Get closer to the source. That's on low. So it works good. It's able to detect it really well. Turn off the gas. All right, we got the gas turned back off and we're back down. So working really good. So I'm really happy with how it did work and it was able to detect it. I think that's going to save me a lot of time when I'm in the field. But I think this could be used maybe at home too. I know sometimes when people get a little bit older, it's harder for them to smell And this could help if you felt like there was a gas leak, or if the stove was left on and you're worried about maybe a possible explosion source from the gas. This could help you to determine how bad that gas level would be with this graphical display. So I think it's a really good product, and be using this for sure in the field. Thanks for watching.